Hey. Excuse me, mister. What? I was hungry. You're eating our sign. Yeah, so? Oh, give me it. I want more. Alright, so one of my boxes here, I didn't realize it, but it got taken over by these yellow jackets. And what happened was my hive they swarmed, so the population of the honeybees was down, and there wasn't enough of them to protect against these guys, because these guys are very dangerous to honeybees. They'll kill them in an instant. And so yeah, unfortunately that's what happened. So a couple of my honeybees are still around, and they're trying to get what honey they can for their new swarm. But these yellow jackets, they're pretty nasty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let them go ahead and finish taking some comb and stuff, and then I'm gonna go ahead and collect all the wax, and what we'll do, we'll go ahead and we'll make some wax candles. But well, we'll start another hive next year. These are the good guys. Okay, so it looks like my honeybees are coming back to try and reclaim their hive. They're actually killing the yellow jackets that are interfering with everything. So this is actually pretty cool, because I've never seen this actually done before. You can see them, they're all... I helped the honeybees out by taking a lot of these out to clear out the yellow jackets that were in there, and they were able to actually retake their home.
Can I ask you a question?
What?
Isn't that like those things?
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. Alright, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye, Obo. Bye, guys.